KVR Maths Academy, Maths an easy way.
Hi viewers, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss A and B graphs in question number 2 in exercise 4.1 in pair of linear equations in two variables of 10th class mathematics. Right? Yes, before doing these graphs, viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's go through this. Yeah. See, this is the second question. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. First A, problem A. Given 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. So first we have to check these equations are consistent and inconsistent. Then we have to solve graphically, right? Yeah. See, given equations are 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. Write down. Solution. Given equations are, let us write this in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, right? Yeah. So those are 3x plus 2y, 8 transfer into this side, minus 8 is equal to 0. Next 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So compare the given equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, right? Yes. Compare the given equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, right? Yeah. Now a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 2 and a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 2 and c1 is equal to minus 8, right? In the same way, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 3 and c2 is equal to minus 1, isn't it? Yeah. Now let us find the ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, right? a1 by a2 is equal to, this is 3 by 2, a1 by a2. Next b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by minus 3 and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 1, which means 8 only. Look here, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is 3 by 2 and b1 by b2 is 2 by minus 2 by 3. So if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 means the given equations are consistent and they have unique solution, isn't it? That is only write down. Here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, right? So the given pair of linear equations are, so the given pair of linear equations, simply I am writing, or equations in two variables are consistent and have unique solution, right? Yes. Now let us solve graphically, right? Yeah. First table I am drawing. Yeah. First 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 only, na? First take 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. That implies y is equal to, yes, this will be 8 minus 3x by 2. 8 minus 3x by 2, isn't it? Yeah. So take any three values for x. Yes, this is x, y is equal to 8 minus 3x by 2 and x comma y. X coordinate and y coordinate. Yeah. So let us take x is equal to 0 here. So 8 minus 3 zeros are 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 by 2 is, yes, 4. So first point is 0 comma 4. Next take any, yes, 2. Let us take 2. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is, yes, 2. 2 by 2, 1. Yes, 2 comma 1. Next, so another one. Let us take 4. 3 4s are 12. Minus 12. Minus 12 plus 8. Yes, minus 4. Minus 4 by 2. Yes, minus 2. This point is 4 comma minus 2. Right. So these three, for these 3 points we have to draw the line on graph sheet. Next, second equation also I am taking 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. So that implies y value. Y is equal to, if you transfer into this one, plus 3y. 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 by 3. Y is equal to, isn't it? 2x minus 1 by 3. Next, for this, draw the graph. Draw the table. This also 3 values I will take. So for x, y is equal to 2x minus 1 by 3 and x comma y. X is equal to, let us take 0. Let us take 0. X is equal to 0 means minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 means s minus 0.3, right? 1 by 3 can be written as 0.331. No? So simply 0.3 minus 0.3. So this point will be 0 comma minus 0.3. Next, which one will you take? So here denominator 3 is there. That's why for cancellation easy. Which one will you take? 2 2s are 4. Yes. If you take 2 2s are 4 minus 1 3. 3 by 3 is 1. So 2 comma 1. Right? If you take 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1 5. 5 by 3 cannot be cancelled. Next, suppose minus 1. If you take minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3 by 3 minus 1. So minus 1 comma 1. So for these points also we have to draw another line. So let us draw these lines on graph sheet. Yes. Okay, the first equation obtained points are 0 comma 4, 2 comma 1 and 4 comma minus 2. Let us plot on the graph. So these coordinate axes already have drawn. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. We know very well about this now. So horizontal axis is called x-axis. So I have represented with x dash, and vertical axis is called y-axis. I have represented with y and y dash. Right? Yeah. So let us plot the points. First 0 comma 4. X is 0 and y is 4. So where will you plot the point? X is 0 means the point on the y axis only. So 0 comma 4 here. Right? 0 comma 4. Next 2 comma 1. X is 2 and y is 1. X is 2 and y is 1 here. Right? Next 4 comma minus 2. 4, x is 4 and y is minus 2. This is x is 4 and y is minus 2 here. So let us join the points. Yes, look here. The position of the points are on the straight line, right? Yes. So this is the line. What is that? Yes. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. This is the line. This is the line we have drawn, right? That is, equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So this is the line. Next, second equation, 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. The obtained points are 0, minus 0.3, 2, 1, minus 1, 1. Let us plot the points on the graph sheet. First, 0, minus 0.3. So x is 0, y is minus 0.3. See, x is 0, y is minus 0.3 here. See, 1, 2, 3. 0.3 this is, right? Yes. Next, 2, 1. Yes, x is 2 and y is 1. This is 2, 1. Next, minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1. See, minus 1, x is minus 1 and y is minus 1. Now let us join these 2 points, these 3 points also. See, this is the straight line. The equation of the straight line is 2x minus 3y minus 1 or is equal to 1. So this is the straight line for the equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 1 only. So look here, these two lines, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 1 intersect at the point is 2, 1, isn't it? This is the point intersected, no? So that's why the solution for these two equations is 2, 1, which is 2 is on x-axis and 1 is on y-axis, right? Already we have written, no? So the given pair of linear equations have unique solution and this system is consistent. Already we have written. So that's why the solution for the given equation is 2, 1. That is only right. So what will you write? Is from the graph, the straight lines are intersect at 2, 1. Therefore, solution of given lines is 2, 1. Have you understood clearly? Yes. Finally, we have to write a scale on the graph sheet, right? Scale. So scale, what will you write? Scale on x-axis. See, on x-axis, here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit only, na? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. And on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to, see, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that only, na? 1 unit. So finally, we should write a scale also. Otherwise, you lose half mark in the examination, right? If you have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down or draw it. Next, B, 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8, 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Let us see, let us check these are consistent or inconsistent and we will solve graphically also, right? Yeah. So given lines, given equations are, yes. So write in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Yes, that is 2x minus 3y plus 8 transfer into this side, minus 8 is equal to 0. Next, 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Right. So now compare the given equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, right? Yes, write down. So a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to minus 3, sorry, here b1 is equal to minus 3 and c1 is equal to minus 8, isn't it? Next, in the same way, a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 6 and c2 is equal to minus 9. Let us find the ratio. Yes, a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4, b1 by b2. Here a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4 means 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6, minus minus get cancelled, 3 ones are 3 twos are, this is also 1 by 2. Next, c1 by c2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 9, minus minus get cancelled, no, 8 by 9. See here, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. That's why the given lines are inconsistent. Inconsistent means how many solutions? There is no solution. No solution means parallel lines will occur, right? Yeah, that is only write down. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So the given pair of linear equations in two variables are inconsistent and they do not have any solution. They do not have any solution. Now let us draw graphically. First draw the tables, right? Yeah. So first take equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. Right. So simply I am saying here parallel lines no solutions, no. So that's why in the place of x first take 0 and in the place of y next take 0. Right? Like that I am saying, look here. Very simple method that is. See, x comma y. First in the place of x take 0. In the place of x take 0. Then this will be, this whole term will be 0. Then y is equal to minus 8 by 3. Isn't it? Minus 8 by 3 means, yes, 2.6. Minus 2.6. Minus 2.6. So 0 comma minus 2.6 is the 1 point. Yes, in the place of y take 0. In the place of y take 0 means this whole term will be 0. 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 4. This will be 4 comma 0. Is it clear? So first, for first point, in the place of x take 0. Next point in the place of y take 0. So 2 points will occur or not? So that is 0 comma minus 2.6 and 4 comma 0. So in the same way, second equation also, 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Right? Yeah. See, x, y, x comma y. So in the place of x take 0, then this will be 0, y is equal to minus 9 by 6. Minus 9 by 6 means 3 3s are 3 2s are. Minus 3 by 2, which means 1.5. Right? Minus 1.5. Isn't it? So that is point is 0 comma minus 1.5. Next, in the place of y is take 0. This is 0 means 4x is equal to 9, x is equal to 9 by 4. 9 by 4 means 4 2s are 8, 1. So 2.25, that is. So this is 2.25 comma 0. So if you take in the place of x is equal to 0, you got minus 1.5 y value. So in the place of y, if you take 0, you got 2.25 in the place of x. So that point is 2.25 and z. Understood clearly? Now let us draw these points on the graph sheet. Yes. See, in question B, already we have found now the points are 0 comma minus 2.6, 4 comma 0, and 0 comma minus 1.5, 2.25 comma 0. So these points let us plot on graph paper, right? So on graph sheet I have drawn the coordinate axis. One is x axis and another one is y axis. So on x axis and y axis I have taken scale as same. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit only. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 minus 2 like that, 1 2 3 4 5, see, minus 1 minus 2 like that. Okay, so the intersecting point is origin O or 0. Look here. So here first plot the point 0 comma minus 2.6, 0. So x axis is x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is minus 2.6. So x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is minus 2.6, no? See, this is 2, this is 3, this is 2.5, 2.6 here, right? Yes, this is. Next 4 comma 0. X is 4 and y is 0, no? So this point will be on x axis. So let us join these 2 points. Yes, this line is 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. Next, second line. So first is 0 comma minus 1.5. 0 comma minus 1.5 will be here, right? Yes, this is the correct location of this point. Next, 2.25 comma 0. 2.25, x is 2.25, which means 2.2 or 2.3 we may plot. So 2.25, see, this is 2.2, this is 2.3, middle of these points let us plot. Yes, so 2.25 comma 0 is this one. So let us join these 2 points also. So this is the line. This is the line. This is the line of 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. See, observe carefully these 2 lines, 4x minus 6y is equal to 9 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. These 2 lines are parallel or not? Yes, exactly, these 2 are parallel. So from the graph we can clearly observe that the given 2 lines are parallel. Isn't it? So that is only write down. From the graph we can clearly say that given lines are parallel. Parallel means these lines do not have solution, right? Have you understood? Finally what we have to do? Yes, scale we should write. So scale, write down scale on x-axis. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, right? On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to also 1 unit. So have you understood clearly? Yes, you may note. Okay viewers, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.